What's up guys, it's Will from Will Surf. Today is Christmas. We got some waves out there to surf today. Hope you guys are all having a blessed Christmas. Let's go catch some waves. You! Alright guys, just finished our Christmas surf session. Had a blast out there today. It was definitely not ideal conditions. Would have liked it to be a little bit better out there, but be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.